Liverpool is a historic maritime city, and previously, Britain's gateway to the world, the bountiful returns of which can be seen in the architectural masterpieces around the city, such as the Three Graces, spectacularly situated on the waterfront. Liverpool has a vast musical heritage, most notably being the birthplace of the Beatles, and is England's only UNESCO City of Music. Also situated on the banks of the River Clyde is the M&S Bank Arena. It has a capacity of 11,000, and has a conference centre adjacent, perfect for a press centre. The open spaces of Sefton Park could be used for the Eurovision Village, while the opening ceremony could take place within the grand setting of Croxteth Hall. For those wanting to explore more, on the pierhead is the swanky-looking Museum of Liverpool. And next door to the arena is Albert Docks, formerly the landing site of ivory, tea and tobacco, but now hosting numerous museums and galleries, such as the Tate, Merseyside Maritime Museum, the Slavery Museum, and the Beatles Story. Liverpool is also the UK's most successful football city, with two clubs, Liverpool and Everton. So experience with large events is there. An amazing city for an amazing event. Eurovision 2023 Liverpool.